Hey guys, I'm here today to show you my holiday decorations that I did over the weekend, but also kind of give you a room tour of what my room looks like. So yeah, let's go. My door. This is where my clothes are, and then I have some stuff for the bathroom above. Then there's also like my towels and stuff here. This is like some paperwork that I have, as well as my bamboo plant. My coat's right here, obviously. This is my decoration, is having these green lights. Really like them. This is my desk that I mainly work from. It has my laptop and like a bunch of other things. This is my other desk because I don't have a roommate, so I got two desks in my room. That one's kind of like has more stuff underneath for other classes and stuff. This is a really cute thing that I have here. My bed, obviously, if she believes she could, so she did on top. That's my organization stuff. My fridge, more clothes stuff and more other essentials, and this is more clothes. And yeah, that's it. But thanks guys for watching. Hope you liked this video. Love you guys. Bye.